How are you doing, Cali Crowd? If you've been following along with this lsit Progress Diaries series, you'll know that the videos in this series have been about tracking my goal of being able to hold an lsit for 10 seconds. Well, today, I am very excited to announce that I can actually lsit. Kinda. Cali Crowd, if you want to be a part of the motivating community we're building here, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell as well so that you never miss out on a video. Jumping straight into it, guys, I've been pushing myself for weeks to be able to achieve my lsit goal, mainly because it's raved about as being one of the most fundamental calisthenics techniques. But I'm not gonna lie, another reason that it looked pretty damn cool. The start of this week actually went pretty poorly and was very depressing. So far, I feel I've been making serious gains with the lsit, but for some reason this week, I couldn't even hold a tucked lsit for more than a couple of seconds. I quickly realised I was actually suffering from the dreaded overtraining. The lovely little game that nature likes to play with us to bottleneck our gains. I cannot stress how frustrating it was to ease off the lsit training and take a break. I definitely had the energy, but something in my body just wasn't firing. I tried various recovery techniques such as foam rolling, increasing sleep. I even whacked up the heating in my house to try and speed up the recovery even more. I got back into the gym after 3 days of this, and there was an improvement, but it still wasn't that great. And then, this morning, this happened. I literally cannot stress how gassed up I was. This lsit hold is just over 7 seconds, which means it actually would fall short of my goal of 10 seconds. Also, it's not on the floor, which is where I want to get to. But what it did show is that all the work I put into shoulder depression strength and hip mobility was starting to pay off. Guys, the real reason why I wanted to make this quick video was just to say a massive thank you for all the motivation that's been coming through while I've been trying to undertake this challenge. Next, I really want to take my lsit from parallettes down to the floor, and I also want to really nail the lsit hold time. So I'm going to really work on that in the coming weeks. Watch out for more videos from me. If you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button. As always, I'll keep you all posted on my calisthenics journeys. Keep it locked. Peace.